Good morning, students. Can you hear me properly? We will revise the chapter integers. Exercise 6.2, page 128. Please mute your microphone, all of you. Exercise 6.2. Can you hear me properly? Please reply. Okay. Question 1b. Page 128, question 1b. Using the number line, write the integer which is 5 more than minus 5. For this, we first draw the number line. We first draw the line, mark a point 0 on it, and mark some points at equal distances on it. Do you see the board properly? Am I audible and visible to everyone? Okay. We all know that points to the right of 0 are positive integers and points to the left of 0 are positive integers. And we write it as plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5 positive integers, and the negative integers are minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Here we want to find the integer which is more than minus 5. So we start from minus 5 and proceed 5 steps to the right of 0. Since 5 more than minus 5, that's why we proceed from minus 5 and then move 5 steps to the right of minus 5. Okay, we proceed from minus 5 and move 5 steps. 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, 4 step, 5 step, and reach at the point 0. Reach at the point 0. That is the integer 5 more than minus 5 is 0. Since plus minus 5 plus 5 is equal to 0, we can say that minus 5 and plus 5 are additive inverse of each other. Okay, student? Is it clear to everyone? Okay. Any problem? Next question 1D. 3 less than minus 2. 3 less than minus 2. First we draw the number line. We all know that points to the right of 0 are positive integers and points to the left of 0 are negative integers. Here we want to find the integer which is 3 less than minus 2. So we start from minus 2 and move 3 steps to the left of minus 2. Since here less than, so we move to the left. We move to the left. We start from minus 2 and move 3 steps to the left of minus 2. And we reach at the point minus 5. So, therefore, the integer three less than minus 2 is minus 5. Is it clear to everyone? Do you see the board properly? Okay. Next, 2D. Use a number line and add the following integers. Question 2D. For this, we first draw the number line and mark a point 0 on it. Points to the right of 0 are positive integers. And to the left of 0 are negative integers. Minus 5. Since here minus, we move 5 steps to the left of 0 and reaching minus 5, isn't it? 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, 4 step, 5 step. We move 5 steps to the left of 0 and reaching minus 5. Then we move 10 steps to the right of minus 5 and reach the point plus 5. 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, 4 step, 5 step, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Since here the sign is positive, we move 10 steps to the left, to the right of minus 5. 10 steps to the right of minus 5 and reach the point plus 5. Thus, minus 5 plus 10 is equal to plus 5. Okay? Okay, students? Do you see the board properly? Any problem, student? Is there any problem? Okay. Next. Question number 3, 3D. Add without using number line. Here, add without using number line. Question 3D. Minus 250 plus 150. When we have one positive integer and one negative integer, we must subtract. And the sign and the answer will take the sign of the bigger integer, ignoring the signs of the number beside which is bigger. That is, the answer is 250 minus 150. First we subtract the numbers, ignoring the signs. The answer is 100, and since 250 is greater than 150, ignoring the signs of the integer, the answer will take the sign of the bigger integer. Here 250 is greater than 150 and the sign of 250 is negative. That's why the answer will take the negative sign and the answer is minus 100. Minus 100. First we subtract and then we will decide the sign. Since 250 greater than 150, ignoring the signs and the sign of 250 is minus, the answer will take the negative sign. Okay, student? Understand? Is it clear to everyone? Or any problem? Okay. Then next. Question number 3F. Anubhav, right answer. Okay, very good. Question 3F. When you have or you add to negative integers, first we add the integer and the answer will take the negative sign. We all know that 217 plus 100 is equal to 317 and since both are the negative integers, the answer will take the negative sign and therefore the answer is minus 317. Isn't it? Yes, Anubhav right answer, Ayush right answer, Diptak right answer. Okay. Is it clear to everyone? Or any problem? Since both are the negative integers, the answer will take the negative sign. Okay? First we add. Do you see the board properly? Please reply. Next, question 3C. Minus 10 plus 19. Here we have one positive integer and one negative integer. So we must subtract and we get 9. Now we decide the sign. Since 19 greater than 10, ignoring the signs of the integer and the sign of 19 is a plus, the answer will take the positive sign. Therefore, the answer is plus 9. Okay. Yes, Deeptak, Ayush, right answer. Okay. In the next class, we will revise another chapter. You practice. Okay. I think your class is over, isn't it? Anubhav, right answer. Okay. Next, the class, I think the class is up to 11:50. 11:50. Okay. In the next class, we will revise another chapter. Thank you, students. Bye. Bye.